All right, dear children, welcome back to the class. This moving charges and magnetism chapter we're looking at, and we're about to find out magnetic field due to current carrying circular loop on its axis. We are finding it out. Now we wrote this Biot-Savart's law in vector form, that is dB is equal to Ki, then bracket dl cross r divided by r cube. I told you this dB is perpendicular to dl. This dB is perpendicular to dr also, or you can just write r also, no issues. I have just written dr here. So instead of that dr, you can just write it as r also. No issues with that. So dB is perpendicular to r also. And this dB is perpendicular to plane of dl and r. So just to put this in clear form, let me give you an example. I cap cross j cap is k cap. This k cap is perpendicular to I cap also. This k cap is perpendicular to j cap also. And this k cap is perpendicular to plane of I cap and j cap. Plane of I cap and j cap means it is xy plane. Yes or no? Because I means x and j means y. Is it understood, dear children?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So similarly, this dB is there, no? So it will be perpendicular to this dl r and plane of dl and r. So this is very, very useful. Now everybody, these things will be useful in the derivation. Everybody put the heading magnetic field due to. We'll do this derivation. If you do this derivation in this class, our motto will be cleared. This will be asked for 5 marks. Magnetic field due to current carrying circular loop on its axis. Very, very important derivation it is. Magnetic field due to current carrying circular loop on its axis. Let us try to understand this. Now how to do it? This is very simple, dear children. First of all, you take one point here. Okay, and this is like x-axis. Okay, if I do it in the other software, it will become more effective. Let me try to do it in other software where it becomes more clear to all of you. I mean, I will be doing the derivation there only, but here I will be drawing the diagram. Okay, so let me take one point here. So let me take it as the center. Okay, here is the center, one point is there. Okay, and on this, no, so I'm going to just draw these lines here. Okay, so this is like x-axis. Okay, this one is x-axis, and this one is like a y-axis, and this one is like z-axis. Okay, x-axis and y-axis and z-axis. And by taking this as the center, now this one is the center, this one is the center. Let me draw the circular loop like this. This is a circular loop. Okay, so this is a circular loop what I have drawn. So after drawing this circular loop, no, so try to have a look at this. Now let me name this point as O. You can name this point as O. Okay, otherwise let me go back and let me reduce the size of this. So this is like O, this point is O, and after that I'm going to name this as A. Okay, there is no need also. This this is called radius of the circle. Now let me name it as capital R. So from O to point A, you can name it as A also, or otherwise you can leave. So that is like radius. Okay, as usual, this is the x-axis. It will continue like this. This is the x-axis, and this is a y-axis, and this is a z-axis. Okay, now this circular loop is there. Now where this circular loop is placed, it is very, very important. So this circular loop is placed in yz plane, dear children. So this is like the x-axis, and this is like a y-axis, and this is like z-axis. Now you must be wondering, what do you mean by yz plane? So let me explain you what is the meaning of yz plane, dear children. So yz plane looks like this. Now look at this. I think you are able to see me. So this is x-axis, no? This is x-axis and this is y-axis, and z-axis is coming out of this, no? Like this it is coming. Otherwise you can see the corners of your home, whatever corners are there. Now one is coming like this, that is x-axis. Another is going like this, it is y-axis. Another is coming down, that is z-axis or not? Yes or no? 3 lines are there. They're like x, y, and z, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so in that, if you take x-axis and y-axis, you will get one plane, above plane. So that is only known as xy plane. How many planes are there? Are 3 planes. One is like xy plane, another is yz plane, another is xz plane. How they are? Because x and y, whenever you take x and y axis, so whatever plane, whatever wall or whatever ceiling you get, no, so that is known as what? Xy plane. Whenever you take y and z, you get one rectangle type of structure, that is yz plane. When you take x and z, you get another thing, so that is only known as a xz. Now look at this, top and bottom, they are same plane. Now this left and right, they are same plane. Front and back, they are like same plane. Three types of planes are there. They only get repeated one more time and they become six. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
so like that, now this is like y and this is like x and z is coming out. Now it is there in xy plane. Okay, that is there in xy plane or yz plane or xz plane, whichever you want you can take. But where I am finding out the magnetic field, now I am holding this bangle. No, I'm holding this bangle means this x-axis is coming here. Now on the x-axis, if I am finding out the magnetic field, means where this is present, this must be present in yz plane or not, because this x-axis is perpendicular to the circular loop. No, so the circular loop must be there in yz plane or not. Tell me. Are you getting my point? What I'm trying to say? Y is one. I mean, one axis I have to take. Another axis is like Z. Y and Z means on this wall, on the left wall. So whatever left wall I have a circle there. That circular loop is there. It is placed here. For example, this cupboard is there. No, on this circular loop is placed like this. Like this, I have placed it, and from this center, I am getting this. This pen is coming out. No, this is like x-axis. On this, I have to find out the magnetic field. Is that understood to everyone?
Yes, sir.
I hope everybody is getting it. Okay, on the wall I have placed the bangle like this. Okay, and from this it passes, axis passes, there I have to find the magnetic field. I hope everybody got it. Okay, fine. So let me go back to the screen there. So now it is very difficult to show it like that. So that's why I'm just saying that this is there in YZ plane. So that will be my first point. I'll be writing the notes here. Okay, whatever notes are there, I'll be writing it here. So where the circular loop is there, consider, after that diagram you have to write this, consider circular loop in YZ plane. So that is there in YZ plane. All right, dear children, in the YZ plane it is there. All right, now I means what? I means a current in circular loop. Current in circular loop. So whatever circular loop is there, no, in that some current is flowing. So let me show that also. So whatever this circular loop is there, no, inside that there is some current. So some current is flowing like this. So let me show that. So that current is flowing. So it is flowing in the anti-clockwise, or you may show it as clockwise direction also. Clear, dear children?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now from this center I have to come, I have to take one point here. Okay, so whatever center is there, no, from that center I have to take one point here. So let me name this point as P, so which is at a distance of x. Okay, this point is at a distance of x. Now I have to calculate magnetic field at that point P. So at that point P I have to find the magnetic field, because it is on the axis of current carrying circular loop. Because what is the heading of the I mean derivation? Magnetic field due to current carrying circular loop on its axis. That's why what I have to consider, let P be a point. Let P be a point on axis. On axis such that so whatever that OP is there, the distance is equal to x. So that distance I am considering that distance to be x, and here I am supposed to find out the magnetic field. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let me come back to the picture and let me explain you one more time how does this P looks like. Now I think you should be able to see me now. So that P, how it looks, no, dear children. So this is the circular loop. Here is the circular loop, and on this point, the one line is passing through. Here is P. At that P, due to this current carrying circular loop, whatever magnetic field is there at this point P, I have to calculate that. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So let me consider that. So let me come to the screen here. Let me explain here. So that magnetic field, no, now let me take one current element here, because we know current element. So if I take one current element here like this, okay, let me show it with other color. Let me use green here. Okay, if I take one element here like this, one element here, okay, this much only, not completely, complete circle I have to take at later stage. Now this much length I have taken means this is like whatever green color I have shown, no. So let me consider that I have to remove this A actually. That A can be removed. So this is like DL. So this is like length element DL, right? Can I call it as length element DL, dear children? Can I call it as DL? Yes, okay. So once I have called DL means now this I can join this, no? For example, whatever this is there, no? This DL. So this can be joined to this point P or not? Like this, I can join or not? Hmm? Tell me. From that DL, I can join, no? To this point P. I'm going to join this. Let me use some other color. Let me use white. So from this DL, I'm going to join to this point P. Correct? Now I'm going to call that distance, whatever distance is there, no? I'm going to call that as the distance as R, small r. Clear, dear children?
हाँ
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah, try to get it. Now, after that, whatever magnetic field I get at this point P, how is that magnetic field, dear children? That magnetic field will be, how is that magnetic field? Tell me. That magnetic field, whatever I get, that magnetic field should be perpendicular to this DL and this R or not? Because already I have told you. So whatever magnetic field I am going to get here, I have explained, no? So according to the formula, this dB should be perpendicular to DL and R. I have told you, no, already. So now whatever R you are drawing here, no? So this is like distance between this point and this current element. So whatever magnetic field I get, don't you think that with this line it has to be perpendicular like this? This magnetic field has to be perpendicular like this. Don't you think like that?
yes
Look at this. This is 90 degree or not? This white line and yellow line, is it 90 degree?
yes sir.
Yes or no? So here is the magnetic field and I'm going to call this magnetic field as a dB. Is it clear, dear children? Yes or no? Tell me. Okay. Tell me, dear children. Correct or not? Okay. Now, afterwards, what you can take? You can take this angle as theta because DL it is there, no? And DL and you have joined here. You can take this theta. If you take this as theta, how much it becomes? It becomes 90 minus theta or not? This angle. Hmm?
हाँ sir.
Yes or no? Because this center angle, whatever it is there, it is 90 degree. This angle at the center 90 degree. If it is theta, means this becomes 90 minus theta. At least, I mean, that much should be known to, and you should be able to do that. Otherwise, what you can do, you can call this only as theta. No issue with that. This only as theta also you can call. Correct, dear children?
yes
That only you can call it as theta, and if it is not, I hope everybody is understanding it. Okay, let me draw the diagram one more time so that things become very clear to you. Okay, I have considered all this, no? So how to draw the diagram, dear children? So this is the y-axis and this is the x-axis. This is the x-axis what I have, and here is the z-axis. Okay, and here is the current carrying circular loop like this, and here is the point O, and this is the radius R, and here is the point P, which is at a distance of x. I have considered one element here. So this element is called a DL, as I have already told, and I am going to join this, and this distance is R, and dB is like this, no? This dB is perpendicular to this R or not? Tell me.
yes sir.
Now afterwards, I'm going to call this as angle theta. You can call this also as theta, no issue. But if you call this as theta, there are so many advantages for you. Now this point P is there, no? So whatever point P is there, you can write it a little bit sidewise. Now if I draw one line like this, now tell me what is this angle? What is this
90
angle? Tell me. 90 degree, no? So if this angle is like 90 degree and this is theta, how about this angle? 90 minus theta, no?
theta.
Yeah. So it is 90 minus theta. Everybody knows it. Please try to get it. So this angle, this straight line and this dotted line is 90 degree, and this angle is theta, means this angle is 90 minus theta. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
How much is this angle? How much is this angle? Tell me, how much is
90
this angle?
degree
90 degree, no? Already I told you.
90
This
degree
is R. Already I have told you this is R. R and DB are perpendicular. If this is 90 degree and this is 90 minus theta, how about this angle? How much it is? Theta, no? Yes or no? Look at this. This angle is 90, means this is 90 minus theta and this is theta. 90 minus theta plus theta means minus theta plus theta get cancelled and 90 remains, no, this angle.
Sir.
Yes.
Yes or no? So this angle is like theta. So everybody got to know about that. If you haven't got, you can have a look at it one more time. So this angle, whatever I'm getting, this is like theta. Clear, dear children?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? So I hope everybody is getting it. So similarly, this diagram also, here also I can show you. So what I can show you? So here I'm going to just draw one line like this. Okay, just I mean both the diagram I'm just trying to make a clear here. This diagram is not becoming good here. Actually, it has to be drawn with a little precision. Yeah, straight line like this. Okay, so if the line is drawn like this, means this becomes theta, no, this angle becomes theta. So if it is becoming theta, means this dB is a vector quantity. So that's why this side, what I will have it as dB cos theta, no, I'll have it as dB cos theta, and this side I will have dB sin theta, no.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So here also I can do the same thing. Okay, so this dB is there now. So here what I will have this side as dB cos. First of all, you try to get this. Afterwards, notes will come to you and you can write this. First of all, the flow of the derivation dB cos theta, and this side it is dB sin theta or not?
Yes, sir.
Tell me. I mean, I hope everybody got it. What I'm saying. So this side it is like dB sin theta. It is dB sin theta. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Oh, okay. Now afterwards, now you think about this. Now diagrammatically here a DL is there, and here also I can have one DL or not? Here also I can have one DL or not? Tell me. Yes.
Yes.
And I can join this to this point, and at this how the magnetic field will be. Now this is the R. Now whatever R I have got, here also same R will be there. Now whatever R is there, magnetic field will be like this or not? I'll be able to get the magnetic field like this or not? Because 90 degree, look at this, perpendicular to this R, this magnetic field will come like this or not? Just check.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yeah. Now this angle can be considered as theta, and this angle is theta, means how about this angle? This angle is 90 degree, no? This total angle, straight line and dotted line 90 degree. So this is 90 degree, means this is theta, means again this becomes 90 minus theta. And this angle, look at this angle, how much is this angle?
90 degree.
90 degree. Yes, similarly. So it is 90 minus theta, means it becomes theta. So similarly dB is here. So here also what it becomes? It becomes dB cos theta. And here it becomes dB sin theta or not? Vector.
Yes, sir.
Try to get it, dear children, what I'm trying to say. Now this dB cos theta and dB cos theta, look at them, they are like opposite, no? So dB cos theta, they are equal and opposite, they will get cancelled with each other, no?
Yes, sir.
They will cancel
Yes,
with each other. What remains? dB sin theta and dB sin theta remains or not? Only dB sin theta remains, no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
only
sir.
dB sin theta remains. So that's why total magnetic field I am going to call it as dB. Capital dB is equal to 1 is dB. Don't write anything, please. dB sin theta plus dB sin theta. Please listen to me. You will get the notes of this. dB sin theta plus dB sin theta. You will get it as 2 dB sin theta. Okay, this total magnetic field is equal to 2 dB sin theta. Now you must be wondering, what is this dB? dB formula we know, dB is equal to K I, then a dl, then sin theta. Sin theta we should know. So this is like this. This is there in which plane? This is there in YZ plane. And where we are finding out this magnetic field, we are finding it on x-axis. YZ plane, this circular loop is there. On x-axis we are finding out, means this theta should be equal to 90 degree or not. Now don't think this theta is different, just for assumption. So whatever I get here, dl cross r and all, so that should be 90 degree. Okay, please listen to me now. In the offline class also I will convince you. It becomes ideal sin 90, then divided by r square it becomes. Okay, once again, let me tell you. So this theta means this is the angle between this current element. So this current element, where it is? This current element is there in YZ plane. Okay, here in 2D figure you won't understand this. In DL is there in YZ plane, and this point P is there in x-axis, on x-axis. Therefore, when you join this DL and R, that angle will be 90 degree. So that's why that assumption take and we make it as 90 degree, and dB is equal to what I get, dear children? I get it as K ideal divided by R square. So that sine 90 means 1. Is this understood, dear children?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay, so even though if you have not understood this, please don't worry about this K ideal R square. So I am going to take this K ideal R square, K ideal by R square, then I am going to substitute in this dB. Okay, this is capital dB, this is a different thing. So that dB is equal, don't write anything. Once again, I am repeating. So this dB becomes what? 2 into dB means what? K ideal by R square. dB is equal to 2 dB sin theta is there, no? So that's why that dB is equal to 2 into this small dB means it becomes a K ideal by R square. K ideal by R square. Then it becomes as usual sin theta. So I think it should be clear. Now in this 2 is constant, K is constant, R square is constant, I is constant, sin theta is constant. Only thing remaining is DL. DL means what, dear children? Here DL is small length. Now complete circle, if you take, how much it becomes? In the complete circle, DL becomes 2 pi r or not? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
For complete circle, length means it is 2 pi r. So but we have taken two components, no, one at the top and another at the bottom. We have taken two components. That's why instead of 2 pi r, we are going to use only 1 pi r, because already 2 is there. Look at this, already 2 has come as we have taken two components. So this dB is there, no? So we are going to do this summation. So how much we do? We do summation of this dB from 0 to pi r. We write like this. Okay, don't write anything. Once again, I am repeating. Then I'm going to do the summation from 0 to pi r. Then I'm going to write the same things. What are they? 2k ideal sine theta, 2k ideal sine theta divided by r square. Then this small magnetic field becomes big magnetic field B. Then after that 2 is taken out, k is taken out, I is taken out, sine theta is taken out, then r square is taken out, and only thing which is remaining is dl from 0 to pi r. Then after that this magnetic field is equal to 2k I. Then sine theta means you can observe from the triangle. Now look at this. Sine theta means what, dear children? Sine theta is equal to opposite divided by hypotenuse or not?
Yes, sir.
Sine theta is equal to opposite by hypotenuse is there. So sine theta means what I am going to write? I am going to write it as r divided by r here. And already r square is there. R square into r means it becomes r cube, no?
Yes, sir.
2ki sine theta means r by r, and r square is there. R square into r is r cube. Then I am going to write it as pi r. So this dl, summation of dl from 0 to pi r means it becomes pi r. Then after that whatever magnetic field B is there, so that I am going to get it as 2ki r into pi r is there, no? I am going to write it as 2 how I'm going to write it as, I think my screen is my screen visible to all of you?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No,
sir.
okay, just give. No, I know now the things are like getting little crazy for you, and you now its screen is visible.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Now look at this. This k, I will take it out. Out means I will just write it separately. Then that I will write it as 2 pi I r square divided by r cube. 2 pi I r square divided by r cube. Look at this. K I have written outside, and 2 pi I r into r is r square. Is it okay? 2 ki r pi r can be written as k is written outside. Then afterwards 2 pi I r into r is r square. So 2 pi I r square divided by r cube. Is this okay?
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
just look at that. Then after that B is equal to what I will write here? K into 2 pi I r square divided by r cube means what to do that? Tell me. So here r means what, dear children? This is the value of r, no? So if you use Pythagoras theorem, this r becomes, this r square is equal to r square plus x square, no? So that is like r is equal to under root r square plus x square or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This r means what? Under root r square plus x square or not? Because r square is equal to r square plus x square. That means r is equal to under root r square plus x square. So instead of this r cube, what I'm going to write here, I'm going to write it as under root r square plus x square, then whole to the power 3. No, dear children, can I write like this? Yes or no? Tell me. This whole cube is there. R means what? Under root r square plus x square or not?
Yes.
Okay. Then afterwards, b is equal, just look at this, k into 2 pi. Now those who are not following the step, no need to worry at all. You'll get the notes. First of all, you have to understand this, the flow of this, because there are so many things involved here. That's why I'm explaining only. I'm not giving you any notes, because writing notes will be stupid from this online class. So at least for this topic, k into 2 pi I r square, then divided by, now this can be written as r square plus x square whole to the power 1 by 2 whole to the power 3. Can I write it like this?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So look at this.
Yes,
R
sir.
square plus x square root means 1 by 2 it becomes. Then afterwards b is equal to what I write? I write it as k into 2 pi I r square divided by r square plus x square whole to the power 3 by 2, because 1 by 2 into 3 will be 3 by 2 or not? 1 by 2 into 3 will be 3 by 2 or not? Okay. So this is the final equation for magnetic field due to current carrying. Current carrying means I. Then circular means radius. Loop on the axis at a distance of x. Now what they will give you? They will give you current in the circular loop. They will give you radius of the circular loop. They will give you distance of the point, and they will ask you what is the magnetic field at that point. Then you have to use this formula. Is that clear, dear children?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes or no? So this is the final formula, and by using this you have to do that. Now there is one more thing. At center, this is the final equation, okay? At center of loop. At center of loop means x becomes 0 or not? At center of loop means, what do you understand? Center of loop means, now from this point P, you have to shift this point to this center only, no? At this center means this x becomes 0 or not? Because here the distance is x. Now if you go to center means the value of x is 0 or not?
Yes, sir.
So everybody is getting it. At the center of the loop means that loop is, I mean, it is put up like this. Whatever that loop is there, no, that loop is put up like this. Now on this point P, you have gone here. Now at the center of loop means this point P has to shift here, no, to the center of loop. Then what will be the value of x? The value of x will be 0 or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? So the value of that will be x. I mean that value of x will be 0. So that center of the loop means I am putting that value of x as 0. So that value of x is put as 0 means b is equal to what it becomes? It becomes k into 2 pi I r square divided by this r square plus x square whole to the power 3 by 2 is there, no? X has become 0 means only r square remains. R square to the power 3 by 2 it becomes, no?
Has.
Yes or no? So afterwards what it becomes? It becomes b is equal to, then what it becomes? K into 2 pi I r square divided by r square to the power 3 by 2 means 2 into 3 by 2 means 2 get cancelled, and what remains here? R cube remains, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Then
sir.
afterwards b is equal to what it comes? K into 2 pi I. Then here r square means 2r there, r cube means 3r there. So here 2r will get cancelled, and here also 2r will get cancelled. And what will remain here? K into 2 pi I divided by r, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? So what is this k into 2 pi I by r? K means, everybody knows, k means what? The value of k is 10 to the power minus 7 or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? And 2 pi, everybody knows that current is given, radius is given. At the center we can find out. So this is like B is a magnetic field at center of current carrying circular loop. This is the formula, final formula, K 2 pi I divided by R. This is at the center. Now this one is at the axis, that is like K 2 pi I R square divided by R square plus X square whole to the power 3 by 2. Is that understood, dear children?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes,
Now,
sir.
now based upon this, numericals can be asked. Based upon this, numericals can be asked. They will give you circular loop. Circular loop means k will be same, 2 will be same, pi will be same. Only current is different. Current they will give. In a circular loop of radius 3 centimeter, there is a current of 2 ampere. Find magnetic field at a distance of 10 centimeter on the axis of current carrying circular loop. Then you have to use this formula and you have to find out how to use that. I will tell you, no need to worry at all. You have calculator and they will give you, there is a current carrying circular loop, k will be same for that, 2 will be same for that, pi will be same for that, and there is a current of 10 ampere flowing in that, and it is having a radius of 10 centimeter. Find magnetic field at its center. Then you have to use this formula. So that is k 2 pi I divided by r. Then you have to find out. Clear, dear children?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? I hope this derivation at least 50-60% also, if you understood, that's more than enough. Okay, in the offline class, this thing will become very, very clear to you. Now you have to tell me the steps. Don't write anything. You'll get the notes. Already I have told you. So what is this? This is the center. Okay, and what is this? This is the x-axis. And what is this? This is a y-axis. And this is a z-axis. Where this circular loop is present? This circular loop is present in which plane? This is present in YZ plane, no?
हाँ sir.
And this is the radius, and here is the external point, okay, which is like point P. From this point O, the distance is like x. Now, if you take one small current element here, if you take this distance r, here will be the magnetic field dB. Okay, afterwards you have taken this angle as theta. If you want, you can take this also as theta, then it becomes 90 minus theta, then all the calculation will be carried forward. Just to keep the things easy for everyone, I have taken this angle as theta, then afterwards I'm going to draw the line here. No need to show this, you have to just understand this is 90. This angle, whatever I'm showing, this is 90. It is theta, means it becomes 90 minus theta. This angle becomes 90 minus theta. Then after that, this angle is 90 degree. This angle is 90 degree, means this is 90 minus theta, means this becomes theta. Now I am going to have this as dB cos theta, and this one as dB sin theta. Similarly, if I am take another element, here will be the magnetic field. Here also it becomes theta. This becomes dB cos theta, and here it becomes dB sin theta. So these will get cancelled with each other. So we are going to write it in the derivation. In notes it is there. So dB sin theta, dB sin theta. How many dB sin theta it will become? dB sin theta plus dB sin theta, it becomes 2 dB sin theta, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes,
so
sir.
this dB,
Yes, sir.
dB formula also we wrote. That is k. This is afterwards everything is like normal. Just do the mathematical calculation and get rid of it. That's it. At the center you got it. Now the main thing was only this diagram. To understanding this diagram was the main thing, and we understood it. Yes or no? Did you understand or not? Yes. Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Did you understand or not?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
I hope everybody must have understood how to do this. Okay. Fine, dear children. Yes or no? Please tell no. Please tell something. Please. Huh? Okay. So this one, no, you will get the notes. Okay. You will get the notes. I mean, I will be sending you after the class in another half an hour, or maybe tomorrow morning. I will be already written thing is there. Maybe that is there in the classroom. So I will take a picture of that. I will make a beautiful PDF of that, and I will send it to the group. I'll send it in Teachmeet also, so that you can write it down and you can understand. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, right now, if I'm giving you that one to write, then definitely will be confused. Full confused ಆಗಿಬಿಡ್ತೀರಿ ನಾವು. ನಾ ಇದನ್ನ ಬರ್ಯಾಕ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿನಿ ಅದ್ರಾಗ. ಹೌದಾ? ಹಿಂಗೆ ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್, ವೈ ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್, ಝೆಡ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್, ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಲೂಪ್ ಅದ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇದ್ರ ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ ಆರ್ ಅದ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಡುವೆ ಒಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಪಿ ಅದ, ಇದ್ರ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅದ, ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಡಿ ಎಲ್ ಇಂದ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಬರ್ತೀವಿ, ಇದು ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಆರ್ ಆಗ್ತದ. ಓಕೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೆದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಇತ್ತಾಗದ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಡಿ ಬಿ ಕಾಸ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ಇತ್ತಾಗ ಡಿ ಬಿ ಸೈನ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಅದರ ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಇರೋದು ಲೂಪ್ ಇಂದ ಇತ್ತಾಗ ಒಂದು ಡಿ ಬಿ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ಇತ್ತಾಗ ಡಿ ಬಿ ಸೈನ್ ಥೀಟಾ, ಇತ್ತಾಗ ಡಿ ಬಿ ಕಾಸ್ ಥೀಟಾ, ಡಿ ಬಿ ಕಾಸ್ ಥೀಟಾ, ಡಿ ಬಿ ಕಾಸ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗ್ತಾವ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರಾತೈತಿ, ಮೆಮರೈಸ್ ಆಗತೈತಿ.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನ ಡಿರಿವೇಶನ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಪೇಜ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕನ್ಫರ್ಮ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಅದ್ರ ಸಲುವಾಗಿ ಈ ಡಿರಿವೇಶನ್ ಒಂದು ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ನೀವೀಗ, ನಾನೆಲ್ಲ ಕಳಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ಅವಾಗ ಬರ್ಕೊಳಕತ್ರಿ. ಓಕೆ
ಓಕೆ
ಓಕೆ ಸರ್.
ಸೊ ಈಗೇನ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ನಲ್ಲ, ಇದು 5 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ರೀ. ಇದು 5 ಮಾರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಇದನ್ನ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಇದನ್ನ 100% 5 ಮಾರ್ಕಿನ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇದು. ಓಕೆ ಬರ್ತಂದ್ರ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ಇದನ್ನ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ನಾಗ. ಈಸಿ ಐತಿಲ್ಲ ಇದು 5 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ಈಸಿ ಐತೋ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್ ಐತೋ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ. ಈಸಿ ಐತ್ರಿ ಆದ್ರೂ ಒಂದ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್ ಐತೇನ್ರಿ ಸರ್ ಅದೇರೇನ? ಈಸಿ ಐತಿ ಆದ್ರೂ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್ ಐತೇರೇನ?
ಎಸ್
ಓಕೆ, ನೀವು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಂಗೆ ಬರ್ತದೆ, ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಾರ್ದ ಬರುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಇಷ್ಟೇನಿದು, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಆಫ್ ಬಯೋಟ್ ಸಾವರ್ಟ್ ಲಾ. ಬಯೋಟ್ ಸಾವರ್ಟ್ ಲಾ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಾವೇನ್ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿತೀವಿ? ವಿ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಡ್ಯೂ ಟು ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾರಿಂಗ್ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಲೂಪ್ ಆನ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಡಿಯರ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್?
ಸರ್.
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
ಓಕೆ, ಎಸ್, ಫೈನ್. ಎನಿ ಡೌಟ್ಸ್? ಎನಿ ಡೌಟ್ಸ್?
ಸರ್. ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
ಹೇಳ್ರಿ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ.
ಸರ್ ಸಮೇಶನ್ ಆಫ್ ಡಿ ಎಲ್ ಬರೀತಿರಲ್ರಿ, ಅದನ್ನ 5R ಅಂತ ಬರೋದ್ರಲ್ರಿ, ಅದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ಲಿಲ್ರಿ.
ಅದು ಪೈಆರ್ ಅಂತ ಯಾಕೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರ ರೀ, ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಸಮೇಶನ್ ಆಫ್ ಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲ 2πr ಆಗ್ಬೇಕ್ರಿ ಇದು. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಎರಡು ಲೂಪ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿವಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಸರಿ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿವಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದ್ ಸರಿ ಇದನ್ನೊಂದು ತಗೊಂಡಿವಿ, ಒಂದ್ ಸರಿ ಇದನ್ನ ತಗೊಂಡಿವಿ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮೆಟಿಕಲಿ ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಎಷ್ಟು ತಗೊಂಡಿರ್ತೀವಿ ಇದ್ರ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿವಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಅದು 2πr ಹಾಕಿತ್ತು. ಮತ್ತೆ 2 ಕಾಂಪೋನೆಂಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಅದು ಅರ್ಧ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2 ಸರಿ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ 2 dB sin θ ಅಂತ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟೈತ್ರಿ. ಅದು dB sin θ dB sin θ. ಸೊ ಅದ್ರ ಸಲುವಾಗಿ ಸಮೇಶನ್ ಆಫ್ ಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಾವು 0 ಇಂದ πr ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅರ್ಧ ಕಷ್ಟ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಅದ್ರ ಸಲ πr ಅಂತ ಬರ್ದ್ ಬಿಡ್ತೇನ್ರಿ. ಗೊತ್ತಾತ್ರಿ? ಇನ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಏನಾದ್ರು ನಾ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಬರೀ ಡಿಬಿ ಸೈನ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಅಷ್ಟ ತಗೊಂಡಿ 2 dB sin θ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಾರ್ದ ಬರೀ ಒಂದ ಕಾಂಪೋನೆಂಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವಾಗ ಏನ್ ಹಾಕಿತ್ರಿ, ಇದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಮೇಶನ್ ಆಫ್ ಡಿ ಎಲ್ ಇದು 2 ಹೋಗಿರ್ತಿತ್ರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2πr ಬಂದಿರ್ತೈತ್ರಿ. ಮತ್ ಹೊಳೆ ಅದ ಅಲ್ಲೇ 2πr ಬಂದದ ಕೈ 2 ಹೋಗಿರ್ತಿತ್ತು, ಅದ 2 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಿತ್ತು ಮುಂದ. ಹೌದಿಲ್ರಿ? ಸೊ ಅದ್ರ ಸಲುವಾಗಿ ನಾ 2 ಕಾಂಪೋನೆಂಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಕ್ಕ ಒಂದ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರಿ ಕಾಂಪೋನೆಂಟ್ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ತಗೊಂಡ ಒಂದ್ ಕಾಂಪೋನೆಂಟ್ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಕ್ಕ ಒಂದ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗೈತಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ ಕಾಂಪೋನೆಂಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗೈತಿ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಕ್ಕ ಅರ್ಧ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಕ್ಕ ನಾ ಏನ ತಗೋತೇನ್ರಿ, πr ಅಷ್ಟ ಮಾಡತ್ತೇನ್ರಿ, 2 ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡತ್ತೇನ್ರಿ. ತಿಳಿತ್ರಿ? ಗೊತ್ತಾತೋ ಇಲ್ರಿ? ಸಮೇಶನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಗೊತ್ತನ್ರಿ, ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋರಿ. ಈಗೇನಾರ ನಾ ಹಿಂಗ್ ಬರ್ದನ್ ತಿಕ್ಕೋರಿ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸಮೇಶನ್ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಗೊತ್ತ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋರಿ. ಸಮೇಶನ್ ಆಫ್ ಪಾನ್ ಶಾಪ್ಸ್, ಸಮೇಶನ್ ಆಫ್ ಪಾನ್ ಶಾಪ್ಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಬಸ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಟು ರನ್ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಬಸ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಇಂದ ರನ್ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ರೀ, ನಾ ಬಸ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಇಂದ ಅಡ್ಡಾಡ್ಕೋತ ಚಾಲೂ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕ್ರಿ. ಇದು ಬಸ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಐತ್ರಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇದು ರನ್ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಐತ್ರಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹಿಡಿದು ಚಾಲೂ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕ್ರಿ ನಾ ಅಡ್ಡಾಡಕ್ರಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಂತೇನ್ರಿ ಹಿಂಗ್ರಿ, ಅಡ್ಡಾಡ್ಕೋತ ನಾ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕ್ರಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದ್ ಪಾನ್ ಶಾಪ್ ಬತ್ತಂದ್ರ ಒಂದ್, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ ಬತ್ತಂದ್ರ ಅದೊಂದ್ ಸೇರಿಸಿ 2, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬತ್ತಂದ್ರ 3, ಹಿಂಗ್ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊತ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರೀಚ್ ಅದಂತ ತಿಕ್ಕೋರಿ. ಅವ್ 10 ಪಾನ್ ಶಾಪ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ವು ಅಂದ್ರ ಇದ್ರ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನ್ ಆಕೈತ್ರಿ, = 10 ಆಕೈತಿ ಇಲ್ಲ? ಹಂಗ ಸಮೇಶನ್ ಆಫ್ ಡಿ ಎಲ್ ಐತ್ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಡಿ ಎಲ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಚಾಲೂ ಮಾಡೀನಿ, 0 ಒಂದು ಯಾವ್ದೋ ಒಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇಂದ, ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಇರುವಂತ ಒಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇಂದ ಚಾಲೂ ಮಾಡೀನ್ರಿ. ಒಂದ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇಂದ ಚಾಲೂ ಮಾಡಿ ಡಿ ಎಲ್ ನ ಹಿಂಗ ಹೋಗಿನ ತಿಕ್ಕೋರಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೋಗಿದ್ನಲ್ರಿ ಹಂಗ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಟ್ ಕವರ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಟ್ ಕವರ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತದ್ರಿ. ಅದ್ರ ಸಲ ನಾ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ಹೋಗ್ತೇನ್ರಿ, 0 to πr ಅಟ್ಟ ಹೋಗ್ತೇನ್ರಿ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ರೀ? ಓಕೆ. ಒಂದ್ ವೇಳೆ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಇದು ಇದ್ದಿರ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ತಿಕೋರಿ, ಇದೇನಾದ್ರು ಡಿ ಎಲ್ ನ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ, ಒಂದ ಡಿ ಎಲ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ನೆ ತಿಕೋರಿ, ಅವಾಗ ಇದೇನಾಗಿರ್ತಿತ್ರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಈ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಏನಿರ್ತಿತ್ತು, ಸೊ ಇದ್ರಿಂದ ಹಿಡಿದು ಒಂದ ಡಿ ಎಲ್ ನ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ನೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಡಿಬಿ ಅಂತ ಬಂದಿರ್ತಿತ್ತು, ಈ ಕಡೆ ಒಂದ ಡಿಬಿ ಕಾಸಿಟ ಆಗಿರ್ತಿತ್ತು. ಡಿಬಿ ಕಾಸಿಟ ನೆಗ್ಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ರೆ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಏನಾಗಿರ್ತಿತ್ತು, ಡಿಬಿ ಸೈನ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಒಂದ ಇದ್ದಿರ್ತಿತ್ತು. ಈ ರೀತಿಯಾಗೆಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಅದ್ರ ಸಲುವಾಗಿ ನಾ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನ್ರಿ, ಡಿಬಿ ಸೈನ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಅಟ್ಟ ಬರೀತೀನಿ, ಡಿಬಿ ಬದಲಿಗೆ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ 2 ಅಂತ ಬರತ್ತಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಅವಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಡಿ ಎಲ್ ಬರ್ತಿತ್ತು ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಅದನ್ನ ಸಮೇಶನ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನ್ರಿ, ಸಮೇಶನ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ 0 to 2πr ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ನೇ ಇಲ್ಲ? ಬರ್ತೈತ್ರಿ. ಹೌದ್ರಿ, ಹಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದ್ರಿ. ನಾ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ ಹಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇರಿ, ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನ್ರಿ. ನನಗೆ ಯಾಕಂದ್ರ ನಾವ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಲ್ ಕಂಡು ಹಿಡಿಯಾತೀವಿ. ಸರ್ಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಲೂಪ್ ಅದಂದ್ರ ನಾವ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ಇದ್ರ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಬಿ ಹಿಂಗ್ ಬಂದಿರ್ತೈತಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಡಿಬಿ ಬಂದಾಗ ಡಿಬಿ ಕಾಂಪೋನೆಂಟ್ ಇತ್ತಾಗ ನಾವೇನ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ ಮಾಡುದ್ರಿ, ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಇದನ್ನ ತಗೊಂಡ್ ನಾ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್ ಗೂಡ್ ಎಷ್ಟೈತಿ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಬೇಕ್ರಿ ನನಗ್ರಿ. ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್ ಗೂಡ್ ಹೆಂಗೈತೆ ಇದಕ್ಕ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಕರತ್ತೀರಿ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರ ನಾನು ಮೊದಲು ಇದನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ತೇನ್ರಿ, ಒಂದ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ತೇನ್ರಿ, ನಾ 2 ಮಾಡ್ಸಕ್ ಹೋಗಿರಲ್ರಿ. ಅವ್ 2 ಯಾಕೆ ಮಾಡ್ಸಕೈತಿ ಅಂದ್ರ ಒಂದ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮಂದಿ ಅಂದ್ರ ಬಾಳ ಅತಿ ಶಾನೆ ಇದ್ದವ್ರು 2 ಕೂಡಿದ್ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ತಾರ್ರಿ. ಅದ್ರ ಸಲುವಾಗಿ ನಿಮ್ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ನಾಗ ಮತ್ ಹಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದ್ರ ಸಲುವಾಗಿ ಸೋರ ಬ್ಯಾರೆ ಮಾಡ್ಸಾರ ಅವ್ರ ಬ್ಯಾರೆ ಮಾಡ್ಸಾರ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ ಗಿಂದಿರ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನಾ ಅದ್ರ ಸಲುವಾಗಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ಸಾಕತ್ತನ್ರಿ. ಅದಕ್ರಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇದನ್ನ ತಗೊಂಡ್ ನಾ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ಇದು ನನಗೆ ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಐತೇನ್ರಿ, ಇದು ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದನ್ನ ತಗೊಂಡ್ ನನಗೆ ಮಾಡೋದೈತ್ರಿ. ಅದ್ರ ಸಲುವಾಗಿ ಇದನ್ನ ತಗೊಂಡ್ ನನಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ರಿ. ಅದ್ರ ಸಲುವಾಗಿ ಇದನ್ನ ನೆಗ್ಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೇನ್ರಿ. ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಾರ ವಿಲ್ ನೆಗ್ಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ವಿಲ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ದಿಸ್. ಸೊ ಅವಾಗ ಕಂಡು ಹಿಡಿಯೋತ್ನಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಕೈತ್ರಿ, ಡಿ ಬಿ ಸೈನ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಒಂದ ಆಕೈತ್ರಿ, 2db ಸೈನ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಆಗುದಿಲ್ರಿ. ಅವಾಗ ಸಮೇಶನ್ ಆಫ್ ಡಿ ಎಲ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನ್ರಿ, 0 to 2 ಪೈ ಆರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನ್ರಿ. ತಿಳಿತ್ರಿ?
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
ಅದಕ್ಕ ನೀವ್ ಯಾವ್ದ್ ಮಾಡವ್ರ, ಇದನ್ನ ಮಾಡವ್ರು ಏನ್ ಹಿಂಗ್ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದ್ ಡಿ ಬಿ ಅಂದ್ ಇತ್ತಾಗ ಒಂದ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಒಂದ್ ಹೋಗಿ ಇತ್ತಾಗ ಒಂದ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ ಇದನ್ನ ಹೋಗಿಸೆ ಇದ 2db ಅನ್ನವ್ರು ಏನ್ ಇದನ್ನ ಮಾಡವ್ರು. ಯಾವ್ದು ಈಸಿ ಐತಿ? ಇದು ಈಸಿ ಐತೋ ಒಂದೇದು, ಏನ್ ಇದು ಈಸಿ ಐತೋ ಇಲ್ಲಿದು? ಇದು ಒಂದೇದಿದೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇದು ಎರಡನೇದು. ಯಾವ್ದು ಈಸಿ ಐತಿ? ಒಂದೇದು ಈಸಿ ಐತಿಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ? ಯಾವ್ದು ಈಸಿ, ಒಂದು ಎರಡು? ಒಂದೇದು ಈಸಿ ಐತೋ ಎರಡನೇದು ಈಸಿ ಐತಿ?
ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಸರ್.
ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸಿ ಐತೆ. ಅದ ಹಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರ ಫುಲ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಕೊಡಾಕ ಬೇಕವ್ರ. ಯಾರು ಕೊಡ್ಲಾರ್ದವ್ರ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಬರಿಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ನು, ಕೊಡಬೇಕವ್ರ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಹಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡತ್ತ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜನ ಅತಾರ್ರಿ. ಹೌದ್ರಿ, ಹಿಂಗೋ ಮಾಡಬೇಕ್ರಿ ಅತಾರ್ರಿ. ಹೌದ್ರಿ, ಹಿಂಗ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಏನು ಇಲ್ರಿ, ಹಿಂಗೂನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದ್ರಿ. ಹಿಂಗೂ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ರೀ. ಇದೇನಕ್ಕ ನಿಮ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಸೇವ್ ಆಕೈತ್ರಿ. ಸುಮ್ ಬರೀ ತಪ್ತೈತಿ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಆರಾಮಾಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಹಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದ್ರಿ. ನಾ ಡೆರಿವೇಶನ್ ಹಿಂಗೂ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀನಿ, ಹಿಂಗೂ ಮಾಡತ್ತೀನಿ. ಡೆರಿವೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಒಂದ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಇರಂಗಿಲ್ರಿ, ಮೆನಿ ಮೆಥಡ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್, ವಿ ಫಾಲೋ ಎನಿ ಒನ್ ಮೆಥಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ಈಗ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸರಿ ಬರದ್ನ ನೀವು ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗೇ ಬಿಡ್ತೀರಿ. ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸರಿ ಅದ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಇಂದ ಹಾಕೈತೆ ಹೇಳಿನ್ಯಾ. ಈಗ ನೀವೇ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊತ ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಸರ್ ಇದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್ ಐತ್ರಿ ಸರ್, ಇದು ವೈ ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್ ಐತ್ರಿ ಸರ್, ಇದು ಝೆಡ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್ ಐತ್ರಿ ಸರ್, ನಾವು ವೈ ಝೆಡ್ ಪ್ಲೇನ್ಯಾಗ ನಾವು ಇದ್ರ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಇಟ್ಟಿವ್ರಿ ಸರ್, ಇದ್ರ ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ ಆರ್ ಐತ್ರಿ ಸರ್, ಇದ್ರ ಲೆಂತ್ ಡಿ ಎಲ್ ಐತ್ರಿ ಸರ್, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಪಿ ಎತ್ ತಗೋತೀವ್ರಿ ಸರ್, ಇದು ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತೈತ್ರಿ ಸರ್, ಇಲ್ಲೇನ್ ಹಿಡಿದ ಹಿಂಗ್ ಹೇಳೋದಕ್ಕೂ ಇದು ಆರ್ ಇರ್ತೈತ್ರಿ ಸರ್, ಇಲ್ಲೇನ್ ಹಿಡಿದ ಡಿ ಬಿ ಐತ್ರಿ ಸರ್, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಜುಮ್ 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 ಅನ್ಕೂಲೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇದೇನಾಗೈತ್ರಿ ಸರ್, ಇದು ತೀಟಾ ಆಕೈತ್ರಿ ಸರ್, ಇದು 90 - ಥೀಟಾ ಆಕೈತ್ರಿ, ಇದು ತೀಟಾ ಆಕೈತ್ರಿ ಸರ್, ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬರೋದು ಡಿ ಬಿ ಕಾಸ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಆಕೈತ್ರಿ ಸರ್, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬರೋದು ಡಿ ಬಿ ಸೈನ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಆಕೈತ್ರಿ ಸರ್. ಹೌದಿಲ್ರಿ ಸರ್? ಹೇಳ್ರಿ. ಹೌದ್ರಿ, ಅದ್ರ ಸಲ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಡಿ ಬಿ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಏನ್ ಆಕೈತಿ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ ನೋಡೋನು, ಡಿ ಬಿ ಸೈನ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಆಕೈತ್ರಿ. ಡಿ ಬಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ರಿ, ಕೆ ಐ ಡಿ ಎಲ್ ಸೈನ್ 90 ಐತಿರೋದ್ರ ನೆಗ್ಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ, ನಡೀತೈತ್ರಿ. ಅದನ್ನ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಏನಾಕೈತ್ರಿ, ಆರ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಆಕೈತ್ರಿ, ಮುಂದೆ ಏನಾಕೈತ್ರಿ, ಇದು ಸೈನ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಆಕೈತ್ರಿ. ಸರ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋತ್ರಿ ಸರ್, 2db ಸೈನ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇಟ್ಟೋ ತನಕ ಅದನ್ನಾರ ಒದ್ರಾಡಿನ್ರಿ, ಹಿಂಗಾರ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವು ಇದನ್ನ ಈಸಿ ಅಂತಂದಿರಿ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾ ಹಿಂಗ ಮಾಡಾಕತ್ತೇನ್ರಿ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತ ಹೋದಂಗ ಏನಾಕೈತ್ರಿ, ಇದು ಡಿ ಬಿ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಹೇಳ್ರಿ ನೋಡೋಣ, ಕೆ ಐ ಕೆ ಐ ಡಿ ಎಲ್ ಹೌದ್ರಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮುಂದೆ ಏನೈತ್ರಿ, ಇದು ಸೈನ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಆರ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಐತ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನ ಸಮೇಶನ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಸಮೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕ್ರಿ, 0 to 2 ಪೈ ಆರ್ ರೀ. ಮುಗಿದೋತ್ರಿ, ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ರೀ, 0 to 2 ಪೈ ಆರ್ ರೀ. ಇಷ್ಟೇ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್. ಡೆರಿವೇಶನ್ ಫುಲ್ ಮನಗಂಡ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿರ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಳಕ್ತಾನ ಏನಿಲ್ಲೋ. ಓಕೆ, ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಮತ್ ಅಳ್ತಿರೋ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರೋ. ಸೊ ಇದು ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಬಿ ಆಕೈತಿ. ಕೆ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟಂಟ್, ಐ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟಂಟ್, ಸೈನ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟಂಟ್, ಆರ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟಂಟ್, ಒಳಗಡೆ ಡಿ ಎಲ್ ಉಳಿತೈತಿ. ಅದು 0 to 2 ಪೈ ಆರ್ ಆಕೈತಿ. ಹೌದಾ ಇಲ್ಲ? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ, ಕೆ 0 to 2 ಪೈ ಆರ್ ಇದು. ಕೆ ಐ ಆಕೈತಿ. ಸೈನ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ, ಆರ್ ಬೈ ಆರ್, ಆರ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇಂಟು ಆರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆರ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಆಕೈತಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇದೇನಾಕೈತಿ, 2 ಪೈ ಆರ್ ಆಕೈತಿ. ಹೌದಾ ಇಲ್ಲ? ಅಳ್ತಿರ್ಪ ನೀವು ಸರ್, ಒಮ್ಮೆ ಹಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ, ಒಮ್ಮೆ ಹಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತೀರ. ನಾ ಫುಲ್ ಕ್ಲಾರಿಟಿ ಕೊಡಕ್ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನ ನಿಮಗ, ಅದ ಮೇನ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಅದ. ಓಕೆ, ತಿಳಿತಿದು? ತಿಳಿದಿರ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅಳಬೇಡ್ರಿ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವಾಗ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಗೆ ಬರ್ತೀರ ಅವಾಗ ತಿಳಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ. ಓಕೆ, ಬಿ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಕೆ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇದು ನೋಡ್ರಿ, 2 ಪೈ ಐ ಆರ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಅದ ಬಂದಿತ್ತು. ಅದ ಸೇಮ್, ಏನು ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. 2 ಪೈ ಐ ಆರ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ ಆರ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ, ಅದು ಆರ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ರೂಟ್ ಓಲ್ ಟು ದ ಪವರ್ 3. ಮುಂದಿನ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನೇನದ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, ಕೆಲಸ ಆಕೈತಿರಿ, ಏನಿಲ್ಲತ್ತೀರಿ?
ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಸರ್.
ಇದನ್ನ ಡೈಗ್ರಾಮ್, ಇದನ್ನೇನು ಫೈಲ್ ಕಳಿಸ್ಲೋ ಬೇಡ, ಇದನ್ನ ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಫೈಲ್
ಕಳಿಸ್ರಿ.
ಕಳ್ಸುವಂಗ್ ಕಳ್ಸಿರ್ತಾನೆ. ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಗದ್ಲಾಟ್ ಹಿಡ್ದೈತೆ, ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಕಂತ್ರಾಟ ಕರ್ದಂಟ ಆಗೈತಿ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಟೋಟಲ್. ಅದಕ್ಕ ಕರ್ದಂಟ ಕಂತ್ರಾಟ ಇರ್ತೈತಿ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಕರ್ದಂಟ ಒಳಗೆ ಏನೇನ್ ಹಾಕಿರ್ತಾರ ಕಡೆ, ಬಟ್ ಟೇಸ್ಟ್ ಇರ್ತದಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕ ಇದು ನಡಿತೈತಿ, ಇದು ಏನಾಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಇದನ್ನು ಕಳ್ಸೋಂಗ್ ಕಳ್ಸಿರ್ತನೋ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಒಂದ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕುತ್ಕೊಂಡ ವಿಚಾರ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅದು ಯಾವಾಗ ನಿಮ್ಗ PDF ಬರ್ದೈತಿ, ನಾಳಿಗಂತೂ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತೈತಿ. ಇವತ್ತಲ್ಲಿ ಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ರೂಮ್ನಾಗ ಇರ್ಬೇಕದು, ಅದ್ರ ಸಲುವಾಗಿ ಬರೋದು ಒಂದ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಡಿಲೇ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು. ಬಟ್ ಆದ್ರೂ ಅದನ್ನ ಮುಂಜಾನೆ ಹೋದಾಗ ಕಳಿಸ್ತಾನ ನಿಮ್ಗ, ಅವಾಗ ನೋಡಿ ನೀವು ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡಾತ್ರಿ ಅದನ್ನ. ಓಕೆ, ಈಗ ಬತ್ತ ಇಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋತು ಯಪ್ಪ, ಇದು ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಅಲ್ಲ 12th ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಸೆಂಡ್ ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ಸೈತ್ರಿ. ಅದು ಒಂದ ನಿಮಿಷ ರೀ, ಕಳ್ಸಕ್ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನು, ಒಂದ ನಿಮಿಷ ರೀ. ಓಕೆ, ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಅದು ಬ್ಯಾರೆ ಫೈಲ್ ಬರತೈತೆ ಅನ್ಸೈತ್ರಿ, ಇದು ಲೋಡ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲರಿ ಇದೀಗ. ಆದ್ರೆ ತಿಳಿದೈತಿಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, ಹಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಡ್ರಿ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್. ತಿಳಿದೈತಿಲ್ಲ ಇಟ್ಟೋ ತನಕ ಒದರಾಡಿದ್ದೆಲ್ಲ?
ತಿಳಿದೈತಿ ಸರ್.
ಇಟ್ಟೋ ತನಕ ನಾ ಎಲ್ಲ ಒದರಾಡಿದ್, ನೀವೇನೋ ಒಂದು ಪೇಜ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರಾಕಿಲ್ಲ, ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತೈತೆ ನೀವೇನೋ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರಾಕಿಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ತಿಳಿದೈತಿ ಇಲ್ಲೋ ಏನ್ರಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದ? ಏನೋ ಇಲ್ರಿ ಸರ್, ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನೋ ತಿಳಿದೇ ಇಲ್ರಿ ಸರ್, ನೀವೇನ್ರಿ ಸರ್ ಸುಮ್ಮ ಒದರಾಡಿರಿ ಸರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಆಗೈತೋ?
ತಿಳಿದೈತ್ರಿ.
ಹೌದ್ರಿ? ತಿಳಿದಿತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೂ ಚಲೋ ರೀ, ತಿಳಿದಂಗ ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೂ ಚಲೋ ರೀ, ತಿಳಿದಿರ್ಲಿಕ್ಕಂದ್ರೂ ಇನ್ನ ಚಲೋ ರೀ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ತಿಳಿದಿರ್ಲಿಕ್ಕ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸರಿ ತಿಳ್ಸಾಕ್ ಆಕೈತ್ರಿ. ಯಾವಾಗ ಆಫ್ಲೈನ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಗೆ ಯಾರು ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರಾರ್ದ್ರಿ ಅವ್ ಬಂದಾಗ್ರಿ, ಅದ್ರ ಸಲುವಾಗಿ ಏನೋ ವರಿ ಮಾಡೋ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ರಿ. ತಿಳಿದಿದ್ರು ಚಲೋ, ತಿಳಿದಂಗ ಆಗಿದ್ರು ಚಲೋ, ತಿಳಿದಿರ್ಲಿಕ್ಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನ ಚಲೋ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳಕ್ ಚಾನ್ಸಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಎಸ್ ಆರ್ ನೋ? ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಅದ್ರ ಸಲುವಾಗಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ಅದ್ರದ್ದು ಡೆರಿವೇಶನ್ ಬರ್ತೈತ್ರಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ಮತ್ತ ಊಟ ಗೀಟ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಹೌದ್ರಿ, ನಾನು ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ನಾನು ಹೆಂಗಾಗಿನ್ರಿ ಮುಂಜಾನಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ರೀ. ನಿಮ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಬರೋದು ರಗಡ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತೈತ್ರಿ, ಆದ್ರೂ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಬಿಡಂಗಿಲ್ರಿ. ನಾನು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಊಟ ಗೀಟ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನ್ರಿ, ಮಾಡಿ ಜೈ ಹಿಂದ್ ಭಾರತ್ ಬಂದ್ ಅಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ತೇನ್ರಿ. ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಮುಗೀತು ಕೆಲಸ ಅಂತೇಳಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಮತ್ತ ಮುಗ್ಸುನ್ರಿ ಇನ್ನ? ಮುಗ್ಸುನು ಬೇಡ್ರಿ? ಮುಗ್ಸೋಣ್ರಿ.
ಬಾಯ್ ಸರ್.
Bye sir. Thank you.
ಟಾಟಾ, ಬಾಯ್ ಬಾಯ್ ಎವ್ರಿವನ್, ಬಾಯ್. ಟೀ ಶರ್ಟ್ ಇವ್ರೇನು ಒಂದ ಹಾಕೊಂಡ್ ಕೂತಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಯಾವಲ್ಲ ತಿರ್ಬೇಕು ನೀವು ಅಂದ್ರನ್ರಿ, ಏನ್ ಅಂತೀರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ? ಬಾಯ್ ಬಾಯ್ ಬಾಯ್
Bye sir.
ಬಾಯ್ ಎವ್ರಿವನ್, ಬಾಯ್ 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 ಅಶ್ರಫ್, ಬಾಯ್
Bye sir.
ಬಾಯ್ ಬಾಯ್ ಬಾಯ್.